What is up, guys? Today in our video we're going to be making a 3D model, and it's a new plugin from Blender. And I got this idea from a YouTuber, CG. He's been doing a lot of different tutorials and stuff, and so I just wanted to kind of walk it through you from a different aspect to kind of teach you guys as well. My screen capturing software doesn't allow me to switch tabs right now, so I'm gonna have to stay in Blender. But I'll put the GIS link in there, as he did as well, where you can check out his page again, and he'll kind of run you through on how to install it and get it running into your system. But it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is go to edit, bring your preferences, and like just install the add-in. And so we're gonna go back and make this little object right here. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna click on this new tab that's gonna be up here. Is gonna be the GIS, and we're gonna go to the web geodata, and we're gonna click on the base map. And our source of like coordinates and stuff is gonna be Google, and we just want a satellite layer. And so we're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit OK. It's gonna bring us to this awesome map view. Sorry, I kind of messed up on the last video, but right now, like, you can kind of just scroll in and out of the map. You can kind of just hit G to search somewhere, and you can just kind of go to like wherever you want. But we're gonna go back to where I was at. All right, back to where we started. So we're gonna hit G. We're gonna go back to the Rocky Mountains where I was at. Although I can spell this right this time. And then our zoom level, it kind of helps if we kind of go in a little bit more. So we're gonna hit OK. It's gonna zoom up here, and this is kind of what I had before. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit, get a little bit more landscape. Maybe like right, yeah, let's do this. This is nice. And then you can just center it wherever you want, and then when you're done with that, you're gonna press the E, and it's gonna bring up this little kind of flat map. And to get some detail into your map, you're gonna come back to the GIS and go to your web geodata and get the SRTM. And this will kind of put a little bit of definition to your layer. Just wait for that to load. Hope that Blender doesn't crash. It's not a big plugin, so it shouldn't crash. And as we can see right now, it's kind of flat right now. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to the modifiers, and we're going to want to increase the strength. Unless I just chose a really bad part of the map, and it's really not that big. Oh, I know what I did. I chose too big of an area. So let's go back. Let's just go back here. Let's zoom in a little bit more. And we'll press E again. And now we'll do this. There was just such a big spot that it had so much data that I don't think it really like distinguished between like where the low valleys was and like where the mountains were. So we're gonna go back to this. It was working earlier. Now we're gonna increase the strength. And as you can see now, we're kind of getting mountains now. And that's where I kind of want to set at. And then we're going to want to apply these modifiers. You can also go back and subdivide it and stuff and make it a little bit finer detail. But also one thing he does on his is he copies and extrudes it on the Z-axis. And then he just kind of flattens it. And he'll kind of make like a base color on the sides. So we'll just go ahead and do that real quick. So we got that, and then we're just gonna put a material on it just to make it look a little bit better. I'm gonna just do like a brown. Put that in there. Change it in the viewport. Oh, yeah, it doesn't matter. And we're just gonna assign that. And then now we kind of get our mountain range, our scene, and then we kind of have this to kind of distinguish like what it is different from there. And that is the tutorial. If you want to go check out more, go check out that CG page. He's been really good. I've been learning a lot from him over this quarantine break. But yeah, that's kind of a rundown of the GIS function.